Hey everyone, welcome guys, welcome. Hope everyone's having a great week. Let's cover the markets. Um, we had continued selling again today. Um, we were down a little over 200 points, almost 300 points on the Dow, but the Dow retraced. Down only only 68 points for the day. Nasdaq was up, S&P was up, and the Russell was up. All right, slightly. All right, slightly. The VIX again is at 18. All right, we'll continue to monitor the VIX. All right. Yesterday it closed at what was that? 17 and change. So at 18 currently. All right. So we should be out of stocks. All right. So we're not adding any picks, not giving out any picks currently in stocks. Okay. So here's the Dow, broke support here, red candles. All right. Now, again, it retraced, right? It made a low here, right, which was right at 33,279. Retraced a bit, but still sellers are in control. All right, sellers are in control. We haven't found any support. All right. Hey, Dean, welcome. Dean, welcome. We haven't found any support, guys. All right. So any support on the Dow. Let's look to see where support might be here. Let's see here. Probably. Oh, this chart is acting funny here. Support. We might find support probably around here. 32,890. Actually, yeah, right about here we might find support. Hey Solomon, welcome. Hey Saga, welcome. Saga, welcome. All right. So just know that market is continuing to sell off. Okay. All right. All right. So that's the Dow. The Nasdaq. All right. Same thing here with the Nasdaq. All right. Sell short signal is here. All right. And moving lower. S&P. Same thing here with the S&P. Sell short signal here. Now, the market, like I said, reversed today. All right. So we could see buying coming. All right. But we'll go to the charts. All right. So pay attention to your charts, pay attention to your buy signals, sell signals, and so forth. Okay. Traders love to come in after we've had selling. All right. Buyers like to come in, try to get the bottom. All right. So be aware of that. Here is the Russell, and look how close we are, guys, to support here with the Russell. All right. Right here is support, and here we are here. Okay. So as far as the sectors, all the sectors are red. We have one neutral, which is utilities. Utilities can be a flight to safety, right? But that sector doesn't look good. The only one that's still up is energy. All right, so energy. Let's take a quick look at it here. All right, so look at energy. Energy made a move higher here. All right, made a move higher. All right, so that should help the crude oil trade on the three stocks we currently have. All right. Our monster US 30 traders. One second here. Let's run this. All right. You guys probably noticed that short trade was doing really well. All right, here was the short entry right here. Nice move, right? Going lower there, and then at the end of the day, all right, buyers came in. All right, we were down, like I said, almost 300 points on the Dow, and at the end of the day, buyers came in. So be aware of these when this happens. Be aware. All right. So we sent out a message to close on a close of a white candle. So if you guys did that, you broke even, took a small loss. All right. But what we've been doing recently is getting out on the 15-minute time frame. But sometimes we have traders that are working and they don't have time to do that. You guys can do that on your own. All right. So if you see where price is, right, makes a sharp move down like this, you don't have to do it with the other systems because we trade in longer time frames, like on the 240, right, and on the daily time frames. But especially with our faster systems, US 30, NAS 100. When you guys see the price, and Dean is on here, Dean, you probably do this, price really make a move lower like this, move your time frame down for an exit, especially, right, especially after it gets around noon, right? So noon Eastern time, 1 p.m., where it makes a move. Remember, the US 30, NAS 100, all right, and the S&P, they will start their run in the New York session, all right? So, 8:39, 9:30, all right? You will get those signals for entry. But just know that volume will last to about 12, right? 12 noon, 1 p.m. You might get a late rally in the afternoon, but that's generally your trade. So if it makes a move either long or short like this, all right, just go to your smaller time frames and look for an exit. All right. So like here's a 15-minute time frame. Hold on. So yeah, just go to the lower time frames right here. All right. So here's a 5-minute time frame. All right. With the sell signal to get out, right? That would have saved some profits there. You can also go, I mean, that's low. All right. But if it's made a big move down, all right, and it's not holding, right, go to a smaller time frame. We've talked about this before, guys. All right. You could do a 2-minute time frame. All right. 2-minute time frame would have gotten out. Look at that. Right. So don't enter on the 2 minutes. Still enter. Right. Still use the 30-minute to enter. All right. But you can certainly move that time frame down for exit so that you capture some of that trade, especially when it gets closer to the end of lunchtime. By 1, 2 o'clock, the price should be settling down. Okay. All right. Same thing for the NAS. So the NAS 100, look at this, spike down and then retrace back. Okay. So some tips and tricks, okay, with the US 30 and the E-minis. All right. All right. Let's take a look at the current positions. The dollar index did well. All right. So look at the dollar. Dollar keeps moving higher here. All right. So you guys know we broke resistance, right? Broke resistance, and look at the dollar moving up nicely there. All right. So those dollar pairs should do well. All right. So dollar index is currently up, and the market is up right now. All right. So all those E-minis, right? US 30, NAS, and so forth, they're up right now. All right. There's a good chance. Now we have data coming out. All right. So we've got big data coming out tomorrow. So we'll see. But the market wants to move higher from here because, again, it's been sold off. All right. Our current positions in Monster Scalper. All right. So USD, JPY, these are long positions. All right. Long positions. All right. Buy signal came in here. Blue arrow here. That's still holding. All right. HKD, JPY, HKD, JPY. That's your Hong Kong yen. Buy signal is here. That's holding nicely. New Zealand yen. All right. New Zealand yen. Buy signal was here, and that's holding. We're going to go ahead and close that trade. All right. Close that trade. Buy signal was here. I think we got in right about in this area here. All right. So nothing to do. Close the trade here. Close the trade. All right. No sell signal. All right. No red candles. But if you guys look here, it's really struggling to move higher here. All right. And then this is where we have sellers. Okay. And this is, this is for about a little over 200 pips. Okay. So go ahead and close this trade. New Zealand yen. New Zealand yen. It's just struggling to break through there. Okay. And remember, these yen pairs, be careful with the yen longs. All right. They tend to follow, the yen pairs will follow the equity markets. So equity markets continue to move lower. The yen pairs could struggle. Dollar pairs. All right. Dollar pairs. Perhaps the best trade going right now. So USD MXN. All right. Buy signal is here, all the way down here. And nice price action. All right. Getting past the high here. USD CZK. USD CZK. Buy signal is here. That's moving up nicely. USD DKK. Buy signal is here. Look at this. All right. If you guys are in any of the dollar pairs, just put it in the chat which ones you guys are in. All right. So I know. Dollar USD DKK. Buy signal here. Nice move going here. No support and resistance. So just let it go. Let it run there. USD SGD. Buy signal is here. All right, that's moving up nicely. Broke resistance and nice price action here. All right, SGD, JPY, SGD, JPY. All right, dollar ZAR. We added dollar ZAR, guys. Look at that. All right, we just added dollar ZAR. All right, Saga, good job. USD CZK, good job. USD CZK. All right, good job. Just continue to hold it. Right. All right, just let it go. And Saga has been doing a really good job holding on for a new trader. A really good job holding on to his trades. Okay, so dollars are buy signal is here and breaking out. Very good. USD, C and H buy signal is here. Let's remove this. All right, and looking to break out there. All right, dollar Swiss. All right, really good move, guys, in the dollar Swiss. Hopefully, you guys got on this move. Dollar Swiss buy signal is here. Look at this, really good move here with dollar Swiss, and we'll look to add some new positions. In Monster Scalper. Okay. Short positions. Short positions. One second, guys. Let's copy this here. So we only have 2 short positions, all right, in Monster Scalper. And we've got 4 in Forex Dominator. Okay. Okay. All right. So shorts, pound dollar. Good short going here. Let's see how we did today. All right. What a trade. What a trade. So pound dollar short, sell short signal was all the way up here, guys. All right. And continuing to move lower. All right. So good job here. I know Saga, you're in this. Good short, good job. Just hold on to this. If you get a white candle, if anyone else is trading it, white candle, close the trade. All right, close this trade. All right, it's really deep in the markdown phase. Right, once buyers start to come in, they could really move it. So want to protect those profits. So white candle, just get out. Now this also, right? You can, let's see here what it's doing on the on the 60-minute time frame. I would put it on so I know Saga, you in it. Anyone else, move it to a 60-minute time frame. Just pound dollar, okay? Because that's gone down. Look at that. Look at that on the 60 minutes, guys. Look at that. What a trade, right? And your system held it all the way down. Really, no white candles, no yellow support and resistance, right? Just purple support and resistance, right? Nice trade here. So put it on that 60-minute time frame, all right? White candle on the 60-minute, just right, get out. Definitely a white candle on the 240. Don't wait for a green candle. All right. Don't wait for a sell signal. All right. Really good trade. Perfect trade here. All right. So let's move this back. All right. And then Swiss yen. All right, Swiss yen. You guys see how Swiss yen is moving lower. Look at that Swiss yen trade. Good short here. Now, this is a yen pair, right? These yen pairs will follow. So I know we've got some long yen pairs, all right, but if they flip, I have to get out of those quickly, all right? So Swiss yen has started the run to the downside there. Good short trade going there. Okay. All right. Forex dominator. Let's take a look at Forex dominator. All right. Long positions in Forex dominator. HKD, JPY. HKD, JPY, breaking resistance. All right, look at it there, breaking resistance. It's on the daily time frame, so it closed above that resistance high. Not even say high right here. Look at that. Great trade going. Buy signal was here. Great trade going here. So far, that's for about what's that? 600 pips, guys, right? 600 pips, a lot of pips there. All right. New Zealand yen. All right. Let's see here, right? At resistance, still holding. I would be careful with this one, New Zealand yen. Okay. New Zealand yen. All right. It's holding right here. I think that's the one we just closed, right? So just be careful like that. You don't have to close this one. You do have purple support and resistance. It has all green candles there. Okay, so just, yeah, sellers could come in. Okay, we'll hold it for now. SGD JPY, that's moving up nicely. Buy signal came in at 107. So it's at about, what, 160 pips right now, holding right here. Buy signal was here, right? All green candles. Nice. markup phase going there. All right. And now the dollar pairs, USD CZK. All right. So we've got it in Monster Scalper, but here it is in Forex Dominator also. Okay. So buy signal here, right here, buy signal. And it's all the way up here. Nice price action there. All right. I'm getting ready to break resistance here, reaccumulation. Okay, so if anyone is in this, right, this is an opportunity here to perhaps add, to scale up, right, in your position. And especially with Forex Dominator, right, when we catch these big moves like this, great opportunity to add. All right, add, especially when you've got nice trend lines like this here. That's USD CZK. USD DKK, all right, same thing here. Buy signal is here. Nice price action, all right. So that dollar index, look at this. Dollar index really helping these dollar pairs, all right. That's what's making this happen. USD HUF, buy signal is here, and that's breaking out, all right. Good trade going there. See that price action there. Good markdown phase. USD MXN. All right. Buy signal is here. We never got in. We got in right here. Right. We never got in here. We just got in right about here. Okay. So good trade going there. USD NOK. That's holding. All right. USD PLN. Finally. All right. Broke resistance. Trading near that resistance right here, right? We got some resistance right here, but it broke that near-term resistance. Buy signal is right here, and we could see it really make a move past here. All right, big candles, right? We got some big candles coming in. All right, so USD PLN there and USD SEK. All right, struggling to hold, but it's holding here. All right, needs to get past resistance here. USD SEK. USD SGD. All right, buy signal is here. That's holding. All right, it's moving up. Purple support and resistance, but that's fine. It's gotten past that, and it's moving up nicely there. USD CNH. Buy signal is here, and that's holding. Looking to break through that resistance there. And that's it for the dollar pair. So dollar pairs are holding, guys, for the most part. Most of the dollar pairs holding, moving higher. All right. And again, we have the dollar index to help us. All right. Short positions. All right. Short positions in Forex Dominator. And we have 4 of those. And look at EuroCAD, guys. So EuroCAD, good short here going, guys. Look at that. Sell short signal here, break of support right here. Good short going. All right. Euro SGD, all right. Another good short going here. Sell short signal is right here. All right, nice price action. Nothing to do, just let them move lower. All right. Pound New Zealand, right? Sell short signal is there. A bit of consolidation is here, but nothing to do there. Pound Aussie, sell short signal is here. Holding right here. All right, holding right here. Nothing to do. All right, nothing to do. If this one gives a white candle, just pay real close attention to it, okay? But it's broken the structure, right? So it's no longer in an upward trend anymore, okay? So it's broken down, all right? So the trend right now, if you guys look here, so it has a downward trend line right here, all right? So what the price should do is just continue, right? To just go along that downward trend line here. All right. If it breaks this trend line, right, we'll get a white candle, a green candle, and have to close the trade. Otherwise, it's still Still intact. Okay. All right. So those are the shorts. And that's pound Aussie short. Pound Aussie short. Let's take a look at the crude oil trade in Monster Futures. All right, look at that. So that crude oil trade broke today, right? Broke resistance today, right? So crude oil is at 93, guys. $93. All right. That's high. All right. Crude oil came from a low of about 65. 93 is high. Okay. If it gets above 100 here, all right. If it gets above 100, you're going to really start to hear it on the news. Okay. And that will impact our gas prices. Okay. So, but guess what? We can trade it and make money trading it. Okay. So, broke resistance, buy signal was here, buy signal came in, second buy signal. Here was the first buy signal at 73, sell at 77, the next buy signal at 83, 83, and now it's at 90, 93. All right. The high on this, we have resistance. Next level of resistance. So resistance here, we're getting past that resistance. Watch your levels, right? The next area of resistance, all right, is up here. All right. So sellers are definitely sitting up here. So, and that is at 115. Okay. So we'll leave that there. All right. The next long we've got is live cattle. Let's see how that's doing there. All right, so buy signal is here and it's right at support. So this one isn't doing anything right now, okay? But just hold on, right? Just at support right here. Previous resistance is support. Green candles, so nothing to do there, all right? It's holding. I want to take a look at, I know that crude oil trade is doing really well. Let's take a look at Monster Energies to see if we have any other energy. I know we looked at it the other day. So here is the crude oil trade going. If you guys want to get on that crude oil trade, Dean, I know you trade in Monster Futures. So if you miss that crude oil trade, all right, on that daily, you can catch it on the 240. Okay. Natural gas, nothing here with natural gas. Heating oil. All right, so only crude oil. All right. Natural gas, heating oil, good on the daily. All right, good on that daily. All right, but that never came up. You see how these systems, guys, they're so different. That's part of energy, but heating oil, that didn't come up in Monster Futures. Okay, but great trade here. Look at this daily time frame here. Great trade there. All right, let's take a look at the three stocks. All right, so stock boss, we have NR, that's an energy stock. And look at here, look here. All right, markets are bearish, and look what energy is doing, right? So NR, great move here. Buy signal was here at 572. All right, close today at 707. Again, it's energy, right? So that's why. All right, so energy stock right here in stock boss looks good. The next energy stock we've got, this is in Bullmaster, MPC. Buy signal is here. That's holding. Buy signal came in at 116. holding at 152. And then the next one is OII. OII broke out, guys. Look at that. Buy signal was at 23.91, 23.81, trading at 27.19. All right. And it broke resistance today. All right. So as crude oil moves higher, all right, the stocks will move higher. I want to take a quick look just to see if we have new energy stocks in Stock Boss and Bullmaster. See if we can add. And the correlation, there is a correlation with energy, crude oil, and the equity markets. As the equity markets tend to go higher, tend to go lower, crude oil will go higher. All right, where is it? Stock Boss. So Stock Boss, let's run it quickly. We have 14 today. Let's see here. All right, so NR, we in that already. AMPY, that's a new one, energy stock. No buy signal yet. All right, no buy signal yet in that one. Let's take a look at Bullmaster. All right, energy, HCC, that's gone. TDW, oh, that looks good. All right, TDW. So our Stock Boss traders, all right, you guys have Stock Boss or Bullmaster traders. If you're going to trade equities, only energy, that's gone. All right, HPK, and OII, we're already in that one. All right, so let's take a look at TDW. All right, well, look here. Weekly looks good. Look at that trade on the weekly. All right, on the weekly, not that we would have traded it on the weekly. Buy signal came at 1483, trading at 72.99, guys, straight up. All right, so weekly looks good. Let's look at the daily for an entry. All right, so buy signal came in right here at 66, right? Formed somewhat of a cup and handle here. Boy, yesterday would have been a great day. It didn't show up. Did we look at it? I don't think we looked at Bullmaster yesterday. All right, but gapped up today, closed at 72. All right, it's not too far gone. All right, so we'll add it. All right, so TDW. All right, and that's energy in Bullmaster. And then HPK. Let's take a look at the weekly. I think that has white candles. All right, so that's good. We've got 2 white candles, so 2 weeks of buying here, moving up higher. And if you guys look here to get further confirmation, you've got support down here, but then every candle here, it's been making higher lows. All right, so white candle here, that's good enough for us. All right, so that's good for the weekly. Let's take a look at our trading window. All right, so good markdown phase. Price broke resistance right here. Buy signal came in right here. Buy signal was at 1567, right? Closed at 1803, 1807 right here. We'll take that trade. Now we've got some catalysts, so I know it's gone up a little bit, but we've got some catalysts, right, with crude oil, so it can certainly move higher. Okay, we have support here, which is now resistance, right? And then resistance up here at 30. All right, so it's got to get past this consolidation. But again, crude oil continues to move higher. This will move higher. Okay. All right, so so both of these, I think I said stock boss, both of these are in bull master. All right. All right. Forex. All right. So monster scalper, let's take a look at the dollar pairs. All right. Dollar pairs, that's the trade right now. All right. So USD ZAR, dollar ZAR, we're in this one already. SGD, we're in that one here. USD PLN. All right, we're gonna add USD PLN. Okay, guys. All right, so daily time frame looks good. Look at the price action here. Right, broke near-term resistance right there, reaccumulation. So that looks good there. All right, and on all right, on your 240, your trading window buy signal came in here today. Perfect buy signal here. Good price action. All right, still good to get in there. So USD PLN. All right, in monster scalper long. All right, USD PLN. All right, good trade here going. And that's dollar. That's a dollar pair, guys. So we know the dollar index is moving. And okay, nothing there. USD MXN, we're in that trade already. USD HUF. I think we missed this one. Yeah, we're not in that one. It's too far gone, guys, for this one. That's USD HUF there. Nothing here. USD DKK, we're in that one. CZK, yep, we're in that one. CNH, yeah, we're in that one. Swiss, dollar Swiss, we're in that one. Dollar CAD. We've been waiting for a buy signal in dollar CAD. That's pulling back right now. All right, so let's wait. All right, it's got a buy signal. Right, let's wait for it to get past resistance right here. Okay, so it's pulling back. We'll wait on that. Okay. I want to look for shorts in the yen pairs. That's going to be the next trade, guys, unless something else pops up. But ZAR yen, we just need a sell short signal there. Okay. All right, pound, that's gone. Euro. All right. Euro yen, that's setting up. All right. Now it's a little early, right? This is the markup phase. All right. So if we bring it here in the long markup phase, and we're almost done. The markup phase here. All right. Distribution, right? It's coming into distribution. That's the long. And then here is the short. All right. So on the short, now this is on the daily, but this is what's setting up. So right now, current, got a red candle coming in. Okay, red candle coming in there, and boy, it's due for a nice short there. Okay, and that's a yen pair. So remember, the yen pairs will follow the equity markets. So now it might be a bit early. Here's the 240. All right, it's a tricky trade here. All right, so you've got support here. It failed here before. This is where, buyers pushed that price higher above support. And here we are now with a sell short signal. All right. We're going to call this one. Here is a downward trend line right here. And we're just looking for a break. All right. So it's a little early, but not too early, right? Because if you guys look at each candle, pay attention to this candle. It's making lower lows. So just sell short signal is right here. It's a good setup, and it's got a good support here. All right. And it's gone up quite a bit. All right. So we're going to call this one here Euro Yen short in Monster Scalper. All right, and just a break here. If it breaks here, right? If it really breaks, you could get a move. I'm not saying that you'll get a move like this, but it's whenever you got really good support like this, whenever they finally break, they can move. All right, so that's Euro Yen. Swiss yen, we're already shorting that one. All right. So we send that one out. Nothing here. Aussie yen, nothing here yet with Aussie yen. Okay. All right. Almost done. Let's take a quick look at Forex dominator dollar pairs. All right. Dollar pairs. Now we're in several dollar pairs already with Forex dominator. Let's see if we're missing anything. Okay. Dollar Swiss, good long trade going here. Dollar Swiss. I think we missed that one. Yeah, we're not in that one. We missed that one. All right. Your first couple of trades, you have to let them go. Okay. And then the rest will follow. Dollar CZK. All right, we're in that one. Dollar DKK. We're in that one. Good trades going here. HUF, USD HUF. We're in that one. USD MXN. And we'll be done after we go through these, guys. We're in that one. Just want to make sure we're not missing any. USD NOK, right? We're in that one there. USD PLN, all right? Buy signal here. We're in that one. USD SEK, we're in that one there. USD SGD, all right? We've sent that out, yeah. USD TRY. You know, the next buy signal we get on this one, we might take that trade. Very crazy trading here. Look at the charts. Very expensive, but we'll send it out. Dollar ZAR. All right. We're not in dollar ZAR, so we're gonna send this one out. So dollar ZAR, good candles here. All right, you have resistance right here. This is a good trade setup here. Dollar ZAR would likes to move. Those of you who like some volatility, the ZAR pairs will give some volatility for sure. So, do we have a buy signal? Oh, well, this is on the weekly. This is on the weekly. Okay, we don't need a buy signal on the weekly. All right, so here we are. All right, so right? The trend line is here, and here's that candle right here. Currently trading right at that high of that candle, getting ready to break out on the weekly. All right. Let's take a look at the trading window. That's on the weekly. And again, this is a dollar pair, so all right, not bad. So we have a buy signal, and we'll look to enter now. So we're not really entering on that buy signal. Buy signal came in here, red candles, but now it's getting ready to break out, okay? And you have a trend line right here. All right, so we'll add that. Dollars are in Forex Dominator long. All right. If you guys want to wait for it to get past that resistance, right? So if you want to wait a little, get that candle to close above resistance here, which is 1928.49. You can certainly do that. All right. All right. Dollar CAD, nothing here. No buy signal yet. Keep an eye on it though. USD CNH. We're in that one already. USD HKD, nothing here. All right. Shorts, the short in the yen, Swiss yen short. Let's see, hold on. Swiss yen short. Just waiting for a sell short signal there. Euro yen short. That should come in soon there. Pound yen short. That's setting up. These yen pairs are setting up to go short, guys. All right. Let's see here. Nothing here. Euro. You guys notice we're not doing a lot with the euro. I think we've got two shorts in Forex Dominator. Very mixed. Euro is very mixed. Okay. Let's see here. So Euro CAD, we're in Euro CAD short already in Forex Dominator. Okay. Let's see if we can find any more. All right, Euro. All right, so EURSEK. All right, so look here. So on the weekly time frame, and I promise, guys, we'll be done. I just want to go through these. I don't want to miss anything here. So look at this big markup phase, big white candle coming in, and we have a sell signal here. The only concern is that we still we have pairs going long, but hopefully this one will follow Euro CAD and Euro SGD. Those have been doing well, all right, in Forex Dominator. So we'll add this one. EUR SEK in Forex Dominator short. All right. Let's see what else. Euro Aussie, we don't have a sell short signal. That's Euro CAD there. Euro DKK, nothing there. HKD is moved down already. All right, good short trade going there. All right, look at the weekly. Look at the weekly, really good trade going there. All right, and then that's the daily there. All right. The only concern is half long, half short. Um, NOK, EUR, NOK. Still waiting for a signal there. All right, EUR, NZD. All right, we're not in that one. So let's take a look at the weekly. All right, so failing resistance here. White candles there, a little early. All right. But hopefully it will follow the other euro pairs. All right, good sell short signal right here. All right. All right, so we'll add this one. All right, EUR, NZD, Forex, dominator short. All right. That's gone. All right. That's gone. Euro dollar. All right. Okay. We have you guys trade the US 30. Are you guys using I went through this with Saga earlier during our coaching. Dean, you can just put this in the chat, you and Solomon, if you guys are using Forex Factory for data. Let me know if you guys are using Forex Factory for data. Let me know if you're using Forex Factory for data. You just put yes or no in the chat. If so, I won't review this. Okay. Let's see here. All right. We have data coming out in the morning. So you guys know we look for opportunities, all right, in the mornings. New York session. All right. So just know that there's data coming out, big data coming out tomorrow. All right. So Thursday, right at 8:30, right? 8:30, 10 a.m., and even at 4 p.m. All right. So just be aware of that. Okay. And then on Friday, right? On Friday too. Okay. I know we don't talk a lot about data. All right. But this will influence the trade. All right. And this data will come out. Most of the time, the data will come out. This is in the New York session, right? The New York session here. So, right, most of the time the data will come out around 8:30. All right, like right here, 8:30, and then a second time is at around 10 a.m. So just be aware of that, the data coming out. Okay, and that data will push your trade, right? It will push it in either direction. Just be aware of that. Okay, be aware of that. And I would recommend for especially our US 30 traders, NAS 100 traders, right? Keep that calendar up. There are different calendars out there, but Forex Factory, I like that calendar. All right, and you can filter it. All right, you can filter it for the high impact, right? Which is this one here, red. That's high impact. You can do it for the other markets, right? Other like the London session, Asian session, but especially for the US 30. All right. So just remember that. Okay. All right, guys. Have a good evening. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Now, the dollar pair. All right. So really pay attention to the dollar pairs and perhaps look to add, right? Look to add on a break of resistance. All right. Because they're moving nicely. All right. All right, guys, take care. See you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.